Understanding building maintenance, a key to long-lasting structures. Hello everyone, and welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects not just property owners but all of us in some way: building maintenance. This concept might sound straightforward, but it encompasses a wide range of activities and is essential for keeping buildings safe, functional, and pleasing to the eye. Stay with us as we explore what building maintenance really means, and why it's so important. Building maintenance refers to the work required to keep a building in a condition where it can perform its intended functions effectively. This includes a variety of tasks such as cleaning, repairs, inspections, and replacements. Maintenance activities can be routine, like cleaning the windows, or more complex, like fixing the heating system. The goal is to prevent decay and damage, ensuring the building remains safe and comfortable for its occupants. There are several types of building maintenance, each serving a different purpose. Preventive maintenance, scheduled activities designed to prevent future problems and extend the life of building components. For example, regular inspections and servicing of HVAC systems. Corrective maintenance. This involves fixing issues that have already occurred, such as repairing a leaky roof. Cosmetic maintenance. Activities aimed at keeping the building aesthetically pleasing, like painting walls and maintaining landscapes. Emergency maintenance. Unplanned repairs that need immediate attention to prevent damage or ensure the safety of the building's occupants, such as fixing a broken window after a storm. Maintaining a building is critical for several reasons. Safety. Regular maintenance ensures that all building systems function correctly, reducing the risk of accidents. Cost savings. By addressing issues early, preventive maintenance can save money in the long run by avoiding more extensive and expensive repairs. Comfort. A well-maintained building provides a comfortable and healthy environment for its occupants. Property value. Buildings that are well cared for tend to maintain or increase their value over time. We hope this video has shed some light on the vital role of building maintenance. Whether it's through preventing potential problems, correcting existing ones, beautifying our surroundings, or urgently addressing sudden damages, building maintenance ensures our structures remain safe, functional, and welcoming places to live and work. Remember, maintaining a building is not just about fixing what's broken, it's about preserving what we value. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.